Hi. ඉතින් මම ගියා කොළඹ ඉන්ටර්නැෂනල් බුක් ෆෙයාර් එකට and I did consult Tamesh. Do we regret that? We do not. We do not. We do not. So, Mama ගියේ Sanduda, which was the first weekday the book fair was happening. It was crowded, but still I think it was better than the weekends. Mama ගියේ පොත්කඩ 5කට වගේ. Jaya, Makin, CGA, Sarsavi, Yoji. And I also went to Gunasena. ඒ වුණාට එයාලගේ fiction collection was not that good. However, they did have a lot of those Harry Potter edition books like Ravenclaw, Gryffindor, Hufflepuff versions of Harry Potter, and then so many other versions of Harry Potter books. They did have a lot there. ඉතින් මම ගියේ කඩවල් කිහිපයකට විතරයි, and because I
knew where to buy the books that I wanted.
I did have a nice stroll around everywhere, but still I knew what I wanted.
I'm more into the romance, more into the fantasy romance story, which is romance.
මම ගත්ත books ටික ඔයාලට පෙන්නන්න කලින් I would like to give you a little mention that I'm more into romancy books, which is romance plus fantasy. So if you don't like romancy books, so anyway, අපි බලමු අපි ගත්ත පොත් මොනවද කියලා. මම දෙවනි මකින් එකට මම හිතන්නේ මකින් එකේ මම දෙක ගොඩක් අය කියලා තිබ්බා ලොකු කලෙක්ෂන් එකක් ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ තිබ්බා අලුත් බුක්ස් වල එහෙම කියලා. හැබැයි මම බලන මට ඕන පොත්වල නම් එහෙම ලොකු කලෙක්ෂන් එකක් තිබ්බේ නෑ අලුත් පොත්වල. හැබැයි I would like to say that they did have a big huge collection of romance books, since I don't read much of those. Yeah, so this is what I bought from McKean Catabasis. As I said, I went on Monday and they had a couple of books, a couple of more copies of this book. So if you are lucky and if you like Catabasis, I hope you will be lucky. So it is this book by R.F. Kuang. It is her new book and I'm glad I found that in McKean. It was 3,480 and they do have a 15% off discount as well. And then let's see what I bought from Jaya. Jaya එක ගැන කතා කරද්දී මම Jaya එකට නෙමෙයි මුලින්ම යන්න හිටියේ, but I had to go there because I saw one of these girls on TikTok. They said they had this one book which is the last novella of the series that I've been obsessed with, the Powerless series. The last novella is Fearful. It was released in September and the book was there at Jaya, so I had to go there. However, මේක මම Jaya එකෙන් ගත්තට පස්සේ අනිත් book stores වලට ගියාම they did have this book for lower prices.
Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky.
Sorry. So I brought Fearful, the last novella of the Fearless of the Powerless series. ඊට පස්සේ මට ගන්න පුළුවන් වුණා මම ගොඩක් දවස් ඉඳන් ගන්න හිතා හිටපු සීරීස් එකක්. ඒකේ පොත් තුනක්. මේ පොත් තුන Red Queen, The King's Cage and Broken Throne. මේ පොත් තුන මේකේ තව පොත් දෙකක් තියෙනවා.
I think there's a novella as well. I did not buy that.
මේ පොත් තුන මම ගත්තෙත් ජයා එකමයි. ඊට පස්සේ මේ Grishaverse එකේ it is the Grishaverse, right? It is the Grishaverse, right?
It is the Grishaverse, right?
Yep. මේ Grishaverse එකේ King of Scars and Reign of Wolves. මම ගත්ත මේ Grishaverse එකේ other books which are the Shadow and Bone series එකයි Six of Crows, Crooked Kingdom මාගව තියෙනවා. So I wanted to read this as well. So I bought that as well. ඒ ටික තමයි මම ගත්තේ ජයා එකෙන්.
And it was
මගේ ජයා එකේ මගේ total එක 18,000ක් වගේ වුණා. ඊට පස්සේ since we had the topic of Red Queen මම ඊට පස්සේ සරසවියට ගියා. ඒකේ ඉතුරු දෙක දැන් හොයාගන්න because I knew it should be at Sarasavi. මොකද මම දැකලා තිබ්බා ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ OGF store එකේ they did have this series earlier, so I thought they would have it right here there as well. I bought these two books, Warstorm and the Glass Sword. මේ පොත් දෙක හොයාගෙන මේ පොත් දෙක මම සරසවියෙන් හොයාගන්න කලින් I went to another bookstore. The bookstore that they do with the international printers like Hachette, Bloomsbury, with Goodreads and all. ඒකේ මේ පොත මම දැක්කා 4,400ට වගේ ගන්න තිබ්බා. But I knew they should have that at Sarasavi, so I didn't buy it. This book was 2,695. So that was cheap. This is what I bought from Sarasavi, the OG girl. Okay, මේ cover තුනේම තියෙන ඒවා ඔක්කොම මම ගත්තේ CGA එකේ. Okay, වෙන අය කිව්වට මකීන් එකේ ලොකු collection එකක් තියෙන කියලා මට හිතුනේ මම කැමති පොත්වල ලොකුම collection එක තිබුණේ CGA එකේ කියලා. That is how I felt. So the Book of Asriel series එක I was looking to buy that for a long time. හැබැයි ගොඩක් places වල පොත් තුන මේකට ගන්න තිබ්බේ නැහැ. Earlier, however, I was able to buy all three together from CGA. So Book of Asriel, The Throne
Oh my God!
of Asriel, The Dawn of Broken Gods, and The Dawn of the Cursed Queen. I was able to buy all three books at CGA. ඊට පස්සේ, even though I said I'm more into romantasy, because I am. මම ගත්තා මේ Binding 13 එක by Chloe Walsh. From this woman, because I have heard very good things about this book, that this is a sad book. I love a good sad book. So I bought this as well. Okay. ඊට පස්සේ මම ගත්තා මේ duology එක, The War of Thieves and the Dance of Thieves. මට මේකත් කලින් ගන්න ඕන වෙලා තිබ්බේ, but I was not able to buy it, so I bought this from CGA as well. ඊට පස්සේ Quicksilver. Okay, මේ පොතත් ගොඩ ටිකක් දවසක් මම හිතන්නේ ඇවිල් ගිය අවුරුද්දේ මම හිතන්නේ ආවේ. මේ පොත මම ගොඩක්ම ගන්න හිටියේ. මම කීප දවසක්ම සරසවිකේ බැලුවා OGF store එකේ යාලගේ, but it was out of stock. When they had it was the hardcover book, but I'm not very much into hardcover books.
I'm broke right now.
So I was able to find it at CGA at last. Yes, at CGA. ඊට පස්සේ මේ ටික තමයි මගේ ෆස්ට් රවුන්ඩ් එකෙන් මම ගත්ත පොත් ටික. ඊට පස්සේ මම පොඩ්ඩක් එළියට ගිහිල්ලා මම ගත්ත පොත් ටික ගිහින් දාලා I went to CGA again. I went to CGA again.
Should get some sleep.
And I bought the Crimson Moth. මම බැලුවා ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ මේකේ second book එක, which is the Rebel Witch, I think. ඒක තිබ්බේ නැහැ ඒගොල්ලෝ ගාව. But however I will find it soon. ඊට පස්සේ මම ගත්තා මෙන්න මේ series එක, the Belladonna series, the Belladonna trilogy, I guess. Belladonna, Wisteria, and then there's another book, Foxglove. ඒ පොත තිබ්බේ නැහැ, ඒගොල්ලෝ out of stock කිව්වා. However,
I came home and ordered it online.
so I have the whole series. ඉතින් මේ පොත් ටික තමයි මම ගත්තේ කොළඹ ඉන්ටර්නැෂනල් බුක් ෆෙයාර් එකෙන්. අන්තිමටම කියන්න මම ගොඩක් ලොකු කලෙක්ෂන් එකක් තියෙනවා. එක තැනකින් ගොඩක් පොත් ගන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාලට. හැබැයි
CGA එකෙන් box එකක් හම්බුණා.
එතකොට එක තැනකින් ගොඩක් පොත් ගන්න පුළුවන් අවස්ථාව හැමෝටම තියෙනවා. That is a big plus point. Other than that, මම ගිය පොත් කඩවලින් I would like to mention that JR entering it was so overwhelming. It was so crowded at the time when I went in, and the books were everywhere. හරිම අමාරුයි පොතක් හොයාගන්න. මොකද හැම පොතම හැමතැනම ගොඩක් හැටි වෙලා. Even though there are staff everywhere, they do not re-rack. මම දන්නේ පස්සේ ඒගොල්ලෝ කරනවාද කියලා. මම ගියාම වෙලාවට මම හිටපු වෙලාවට පස්සේ ඒගොල්ලෝ කරනවාද කියලා. හැබැයි මම ඉන්න වෙලාවේ පොතක් හොයාගන්න හරිම අමාරුයි. When it comes to Sarasavi, the story is a whole different one. It was really clean and tidy. The books were re-racked and in the proper places, and I loved it so much. CGA එකෙත් මම දැක්කා ඒගොල්ලෝ සැරින් සැරේ අලුත් ආයමත් either they were re-racking books or restoring. Either restocking or re-racking. It was really nice to see. එතකොට මේ පොත් ටික තමයි මම book fair එකෙන් ගත්තේ. Other than that, let me show you before I go what I'm currently reading. මෙන්න මේ පොත Glow. මේක තමයි fourth book එක Raven Clendyගේ The Plated Prisoner series එකේ. Glint, Gleam, then Glow. I have another two books, Gold and Goldfinch. I might take a break from this book once I finish this, and then read a new book, maybe Catabasis or maybe Binding 13. I don't know. When I do that, I will come back. So until that, subscribe, I guess. Okay, that is it for today. I hope I'll see you in another video. Bye.
Thank you. Katsiage video beluarte. Thank you. Video beluarte. Thank you. Subscribe.